Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today we got the Epson NX-300. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, certain color isn't printing, or just the print quality issue in general, I have a method today and I'm going to show you how to be able to fix this printer on your own, not having to depend on some type of repair service or sending it out, but something you can do on your own. No matter what your gender or age is, I highly recommend anybody try it with my cleaning kit that I have here. This cleaning kit and this video, they're both going to help you solve this problem. Now keep in mind, I'm going to show you how to use the cleaning kit, but there's going to be a link in the description below for you to go ahead and make that purchase. It is a highly rated product on Amazon.com, and I highly recommend that you go in and get it. Anytime during this video you can pause it, or you can do whatever you need to do, just either on my website bestprinterstech.com or in the link in the description below. You can find my product. It's going to be the very first link, so you can go ahead and get that. Get your product faster. Make sure you sign up for Amazon Prime, which I'm also going to leave in the description below. There's going to be a lot of resources down there for you, so at any time during the video or after, I highly recommend that you go down there and get what you need, and so you can go ahead and accomplish what you need to accomplish. Also, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the rest of the video. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to go through your settings here, and you're going to get to your menu, and what you're going to want to do is replace ink cartridges, and that's going to bring your printer head to the middle. You're going to lift the top of the printer just like that. Okay, so if you go into your printer maintenance, or you go into the settings and you click on replace ink cartridges, something along those lines, your print head is going to come right to the middle here, just as it should, and you're going to want to just shut it off. So turn off the machine, and you're going to go ahead and just open this up. But before you proceed with this, actually you're going to need a paper towel that is folded up just like this, so that you can slide it under the print head, and you're going to lay it right down in here, flat and flush on the bottom of the print head. Once you're at this point, you'll know what to do. You'll know what I'm talking about. Put this right over it, completely over it. Then you're going to open this up. Alright, so once you're at this point, you're going to want to grab your cleaning kit syringe. It's a 20 milliliter syringe. It's a very highly effective syringe, and your solution here is ionized cleaning solution. I've got my camera in a position where you can't really see it zoomed out, but this is what you're going to use. If you wanted to pause this, or after I show you how to use it, go down in the description below and purchase it. Feel free to do that, but you're going to fill this up with cleaning solution, okay, just so you get the idea. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab the tip of your syringe tube, and whatever color you're having the most issues with is what you're going to put that tubing right over. So you're going to have it right over that section where you're having issues, and what you'll do is you'll begin to push the cleaning solution right through, just like you would with a normal syringe. Okay, little by little, and you're going to push the cleaning solution right through there. If you're having resistance, you're going to want to warm up the solution, and you're going to move to the next one. So whichever color you're having the most issues with, this is not going to be working. But you're going to push, as much cleaning solution as you can right through there. You're really just going to want to push your solution through each nozzle, whichever one you're having the most issues with, or all of them. And you're going to want to have your machine turned off, and you're going to want to have a paper towel right under there. Now, in order to do this, again, you're going to need this cleaning kit, which I'm going to leave in the description below, and it'll be on my website, bestprinterstech.com. Now, let's say after this video, I had this issue, I had this printer, and I was not able to fix it with the cleaning syringe. All you need to do, at that point, you kind of have a decision to make. And another thing is that the main reason why this the print head on this machine goes bad is by running your ink too low. So really, before you do this project even, you should be getting some 69 Epson ink, which I'm going to leave in the description below. But if all else fails, I'm going to leave a link to a brand new Epson printer that I recommend for you to buy if you're throwing this one out and you're buying a new one. take that recommendation from me. These printers are much older. The Printheads, you know, if you're not able to get this cleaning solution through, I'm going to leave all those links in the description below for the cleaning kit, for the ink, and for a new printer, and also for Amazon Prime and my website. So whatever course of action you want to take, I hope that I was able to provide you with enough resources and to be able to make a proper decision. So make sure to like this video and subscribe. If you have any questions at all about this, make sure to comment below. Thank you for watching, and until next time.